Okay, so let's start with questions 101 to 125. Actually, 127 of additional question bank permutations and combinations. Okay, so 101, let's start immediately. In a ration shop queue, two boys, two girls, and two men are standing in such a way that the boys, the girls, and the men are together each. The total number of ways of arranging the queue is. Okay, so they're saying two boys, two girls, two men are standing. Fine. And two boys are together, two girls are together, two men are together each. That means we can make boxes. So there are three boxes in total. So number of ways will be 3 factorial. And in this box, we can shift them in two ways. So 2 factorial, 2 factorial. And in this box also we can shift them in two ways. So 2 factorial. Sorry. And for this box also 2 factorial. So the answer will be 3 factorial 6 into 2 factorial 2 factorial 2 factorial 8. So option B 48. Okay. Next, if you have to make a choice of 7 questions out of 10 question set, you can do it in dash number of ways. Okay. So कुछ भी question है. 10 choice of 7 questions out of 10 is 10C7. That's all. Right. Next, from 6 boys and 4 girls, 5 are to be seated. If there must be exactly 2 girls, the number of ways of selection is. Now remember, they have asked selection. Although the question says to be seated, still they are not asking permutations, they are asking combinations because they are asking selections. So 6 boys and 4 girls are there. 6 boys, 4 girls. We have to select 5 in such a way that there must be exactly 2 girls. Exactly 2 girls means out of those 4 girls we have to select 2, 4C2, and out of the 6 boys we have to select remaining 3 because total people have to be 5. So 6C3, so that 3 plus 2 is 5. So 6C3 is how much? Calculate. 20. And 4C2 is 6. So 20 into 6, answer will be 120. Okay. So which option is it? B. Now understand, if they had asked arrangements, that is permutations, then we would also have multiplied this by 5 factorial again, because then those 5 people we have to arrange, but that is not asked, so we'll not do that. 104. Let's scroll down. In your office, 4 posts have fallen vacant. In how many ways a selection out of 31 candidates can be made if one candidate is always included? Okay, now if one candidate is always included, that means out of 31, out of total 31 candidates, we actually have only 30 candidates available for selection. See, understand, we have to select 4 from 31, but one of them is always selected. Always selected means what? We don't have to select 4, we have to actually select only 3 because one is already selected, right? And we don't have 31 people, we have only 30 people because out of those one is already selected, right? So 30 people and 3 choices, so 30C3. Option A, 30C3. 105. In question 104, would your answer be different if one candidate is always excluded? One candidate is always excluded. That means now out of 31 and 4, understand, we don't have 30 people now. We don't have 31 people now. We have only 30 people because one of them is excluded, and still we have to select 4 people only. So 30C4 will be the answer. Option B. Sorry, for 105, option B. Fine. Then next,